Hi, I'm Peter from HDI, and in this video I'm going to be showing you Google's alternative to Microsoft's Action Pen that allows you to use handwriting gestures to input into Word and Excel. Now the tool in question is called Google's Input tool. You can find it in the Chrome Web Store by searching for Input and adding the extension to Chrome. Once it's added, you'll find it in the toolbar of Chrome, and all you need to do to enable it is to hit the pen and to start with, hit extension options. Because what this will do was allow you to select the language that you want to include in the tool. In this case, I've just selected English, just by hitting English and hitting the arrow across. And this allows me to use English to enter, but you can use any other language you choose. To enable it, I'll just close this down. I'll hit my tool and I'll just hit English, and it will open up a drawing pad there ready for me to enter what I want to do. So I've got a cell selected here in Sheets, and I'll just write a word. I'll just put a cat in there, and as you can see, it recognises the writing really well that I can just enter into the cell. It also recognises numbers and any other character you want to do, which means that if you have documents that you want to write in, your students can write sentences to make things a lot faster for them instead of having to type, right? So it means they can take ownership of that editing process if you have their own writing up there as well. Hope you found that tip helpful. For more, come and see us at hdinteractive.com.au.